Hey, if your Xiaomi Watch 2 is not charging, let me show you how we can try to fix this. It's actually quite simple and obvious, but maybe you don't know this. So, first of all, you are charging your watch by sticking this two gold plates into this two gold pins. So, if there's like any mess on this plates, there's like big chance that your watch is not going to charge properly at the full speed, or it will be like not charging at all. So when you are wearing your watch on your wrist and you are I don't know, not taking it off for like 2 weeks, there's like big chance that there's some kind of the mess, some pieces of the dust, some greasy marks, maybe some even your skin, the dry skin. So be sure that you clean this one. You can clean it with the paper towel, for example, or any wet wipes. Just do this gently. And if it is actually clean and you still cannot charge it, you have to just take a look for your cable. So if you are using it for like 1, 2, or 3 years, there's like chance that something is wrong with the cable. Maybe it is broken inside. So we can try to replace with the new charger, or test it for any other charger. You can go into the any store and try to charge it with other chargers. But also we can simply get the new charger, as I said before. And if it still doesn't work, so there's like probably some inside issues, and probably you have to use the warranty of your device if you still have one. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.